Welcome everyone to this YouTube video. In this video, we'll be talking about how Honda is attempting to make the use of hydrogen fuel cells more practical and sustainable. We'll also see how this could benefit the data center industry in the future. Honda is repurposing the hydrogen fuel cells that were once used in their discontinued Clarity model and are now using them to provide backup power for their own data centers located in LA. Honda claims that this is a proof of concept, but they hope to eventually sell the fuel cells to other data centers as well. The hydrogen fuel cells that Honda is using came from a Clarity fleet that belonged to the lease market. Honda has also partnered up with General Motors to develop a new generation of fuel cells, which is slated to power the upcoming Honda CR-V model. While these fuel cells are much more efficient, they are still not completely green. The main source of hydrogen fuel cells currently is fossil fuels, so Honda is looking to make sure that the hydrogen they use is green. To do this, they would need to considerably increase hydrogen production as well as set up the necessary infrastructure. Honda is also looking to use the fuel cells for peak shaving, where hydrogen generators are used during times of peak electricity use when the prices are at their most expensive and capacity is high. Honda is hoping to create a new business model that not only benefits data centers with renewable energy sources, but that other industries will also be able to benefit from. So, if you are a business that needs complete control over your data, then you should consider the use of the best small business servers to ensure total data protection. So, what do you think about Honda's plans to use hydrogen fuel cells? Do you think that this could be a useful source of green energy? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful video content.